Hello everyone. In this video we will learn the command layout find and replace. Okay, we'll see the dialog box here with the available options. The find, you can enter the value what you want to find. Suppose if you want to find and replace simple text, you can add find and replace value, something like you are doing in text find and replace in AutoCAD. So here we have the options. What are the options are available here? You can use these options. Let's see how we can use this command effectively in batch process. All right, let me open a file. Okay, so I have created 4 exercises to show you 4 different options. You can do it in BatchInDatabase. Okay, let's open the file. So we have the number of files here. Let me open. Okay, let's open this one. All right. Okay, in this file we have 3 layout tabs. We have the 3 layout tabs here. Okay, it has the full name XYZ-S0020-DD-S00345. Sorry, this 8, 9, 10. There are 3 layouts are there. Just as a simple example, so these are the drawing submitted as a DD submission. You can say as a DD. It's there included to show you what stage it was submitted. So suppose we are moving to next stage, you'll copy all these files to another directory. It will be as a, let's say you are moving to WD stage. That time you can rename the files, but the same time you need to rename all the layout as well, because your attribute, the field key will read those informations automatically. Just in case if I rename it here, instead of DD, if I make this one WD, region, you can see here it has been updated as a WD. Okay, the same things you want to do it, we want to update in all the drawings from DD to WD. The simple find and replace operations. How you can do it using the BatchInDatabase. The same command will be applicable for BatchInEditor as well. But I choose BatchInDatabase because it will not open the file in the editor. So the drawings are being processed in the memory, so it runs faster. So I want to make the video shorter as much as possible. That's why I choose this option. But BatchInEditor is much more powerful than BatchInDatabase. Okay, let's close this file. BatchInDatabase. Okay, let's add those files now. Exercise 1. Let me add those files. So here I have all the DD files has been added. So we want to rename all the DD as a WD, not the file name, only the layout name. So you can manually do the find and replace in the files, or you can use the file renamer utility. Just as a one go, you can do the file naming, file renaming operations. Okay, all right. Let's add the command now. Find and replace. So the find what says just I want to find all DD values, only the DD. So the DD I want to replace as a WD. So I want to rename in all layout. So it will be rename in all the layout. Even you can go for selected layout here using the selected layout. If you want to select particular layout, you can just suppose if I just for instance if I take, so I have the last one 11 to 15. If I double click the drawing, it will open and show all the available layout name here. So you can go for selected layout. If you go on selected layout, the selected layout will be shown here. So this only three layout will be affected if you rename using the selected options. Okay, but this time we want to go with the all layout. So if you choose this all layout options, even so if you are selected, it is going to apply in all the layout. Okay, so I'm not going to add any of that the counter number and the layout name. So just I want to go for simple find and replace. So DD will change to WD. Apply. So this is a command. I'm selecting all the layout. Play. Just you want to revert in all the all layout again. You can double click, or you can select this layout options, or you can right click and select the select layout as well. So it's available in 3 places. So you just select all, apply. So it will be as a all layout now, or you can leave it as it is because since you have chosen all layout options here, regardless of whether it is all layout or selected layout, it's going to be applied in all layout because the command always supersedes the options in the layout here. Okay, let's run save drawing. Okay, even I can, instead of saving drawing, I can save in different locations. Okay, I'm going to add, okay, layout rename. So I'm doing the first exercise. Okay, let's add this file. Let me make one more folder here. Rename layout. Okay, so I will load all this in the rename layout. Okay, so it will saved all in rename layout. You can choose the versions. I will leave it as original versions. Even you can change the units. Okay, I'll leave it all those things as it is. Okay, we have additional options that I'm not going to cover in this one. I have covered in separate videos. You can refer the available videos in the cadmanagertools.com. Okay, let's go with these options. So I haven't added the command here, so I can select all the files now. Since I have only one command, I just double click the command. The command has been added here. Let's run. Okay, this drawing will be saved in different folder, the rename layout. That is fine. Okay, where's this going to be now? It's going to come all the drawings in this folder now. Okay, let's run this command. Okay, the files are being, okay, since you can see the file has been copied to the new locations as we have set it, but the file name still reads DD. That you have to do manually or using the file renamer free tool available. Okay, for the layout names are I think it's changed, but here it's layout finally completed, but I haven't included the options to show you how many layouts are exist in that particular layout, how many are updated. That count I haven't added. Those kind of small tweak I will be doing. I will update in the future releases. Okay, so 3 more to go. Okay, 2 more. You can stop it any time by pressing the stop button here. Right, 1 more to go. Okay, that's done. Okay, let's open the file. Okay, let's open this file. Right. So you can see now the file name has been renamed as WD. And so you can see even here also the name, it reads WD. So if we go to another layout, WD, that's fine. Right. This is one of the options. So let's see how you can use the other option as well. Now let us learn another method of find and replace the layout name. Right. Let's move to exercise 2. I have 3 drawing. Okay, I had a 3 drawing of the layout. Let's open. No, I'm not selecting a layout. Right click, open. Okay, so here we have about 5 numbers of layout. Each layout has a short name, the discipline, the structural S, and the sheet numbers here. If you have more number of layout in a particular drawing, so we always prefer to give the short name, that we can see all the layout name in one screen, rather than you are using this button to go left or right to see the other layout. So you always prefer to switch to different layout if you can see all those things in one screen. But when you are sending the drawing to the client, or the names are reading, or you are exporting those layout as a different file name, that time we need to have that full layout name. So how we can see how we can use the find and replace command to get this done. Okay, so basically what we are going to do is here, I'm going to add the prefix and suffix operations here. We are going to see this option how you can get it done using the BatchInDatabase. So here the prefix is, I'm going to add the file name, say ABCDD, then the sheet number is there. Then we can add another the suffix. So suppose the drawings are going to be issued for constructions. So I want to have those information as well in the layout tab now. So let's see how to do this. So I'm going to BatchInDatabase. I have added the file, find and replace the stamps. Okay, I'm going to do all the layout. So what's the value we are going to find? So I'll just leave, because whatever it is, the name, the whole name we are going to read. So I put I put the value as a star. Replace what? The same value I want to put it as a value again. So I put the star as well for the replace value. Then add prefix. Yes, we're going to add prefix. That is ABC dash and the file name DD. That's the stage. Then the dash. Then rest, the discipline, the S, and the drawing sheet number will be there. Then I'm going to add as a suffix the dash, because just after the sheet number it's going to be added as a IFC. So I don't want to be joined with the number. So just I put the separator as a hyphen. IFC issued for construction. Okay, fine. So these are the value I'm going to add as a prefix suffix. All right, apply. So the command is there. Selecting, double click the file this times. Okay, now this time I'm going with the save with the prefix. So the save with the prefix, it's going to add the prefix as a BID. If it is BatchInDatabase, it will add the prefix, file name prefix as a BID. If it is BatchInEditor, it will be as a BIE, BatchInEditor. This naming you can control, the prefix naming. It's there in the settings. The settings you can set the prefix value whatever you want it. Then save the new value. Then it will be available for you to save with the prefix options. Okay, so we are going to save with prefix. So the drawings will be saved in the same location XSS2 with the prefix of BID and the same file name. Okay, let's see this operations. Okay, these files are going to come in this location now. You can see now the first drawing has been replaced, the layout names are replaced, BID, and then the same file name is here. Okay, right, there's another files, 2 to 5, one more to go, the last file. So you can add hundreds of thousands of drawing to process this, but I have chosen very minimum drawing to make this video short. Okay, okay, let's open that files. So let's open this one, the BID, or you can override the files. You can choose the save options, so it will override the same files. So just for the demonstration purpose, I'm showing other options, how we can make use of those options. Now you can see now, so we on all the layout we have added the prefix, the company ABC, and the stage DD as well in all the layout. So your name also will read the full name here. Okay. Okay, now let us see another options in layout name find and replace. This times I want to go with the layout name as a drawing name as a layout name. So what I want to do now, for example, we have received drawing, either we have exported the drawing as an individual layout, or we have received the drawing from outsourcing the individual as individual drawings. So each drawing has one layout, which name is, as we saw in the previous video, like the short names are there, but we want to change the short name as a full name based on the drawing name. So we want to reflect the same drawing name as a layout name in the layout tab. So let's see how we can do this in BatchInDatabase. So once you select these options, drawing name as layout name, so all these options are disabled here. It doesn't need any input, so it's basically going to take the drawing name and copy it to the layout name. Okay, here you can add this order also, the counter number. Suppose in one drawing, if you have multiple layout that you want to rename it based on the layout name, so based on the drawing name, so you cannot have the duplication of the layout name. You can add the counter number here. You can choose the format. Then if you add one, if one drawing contain a file layout, so whatever the drawing name will be applied as a layout name plus the counter will be added 001. So that way you can will not have the duplication name. But if you even if you have the single, you need to add the counter number just in case if there is two, it's not going to give error. Okay, fine. Let's see this command. So the drawing I'm going to add XSS3. So I have this all the drawings now. So I got 9 drawings. Let's see any one of the drawing open. Okay, so extend. So you can see in this drawing we have only one layout, that is S0013. The file name also this is SS0013. Anyway, so you want to have this the full name as a layout name here for all the drawing here. Okay, let's close this file. This time selecting all the layout as a command. Let's save the drawing. So this time I'm going to save in the same drawing, so we are going to override the all the files now. Okay, So run this batch. Okay, so we are going to overwrite all the files now here. Okay, first drawing. So now I'm out to go. Okay, just I pause the video because it's going to take maybe 1 or 2 minutes. I'm resuming here. So 2 more to go. Okay, 1 more to go. Okay, done. So now let's open one of the file from here. Open. Now you can see the layout name. It treats the whole file name now. Okay. Let's see the other option as well. Now we are going to see the last options available and layout rename. Let's add the files now from the exercise 4. We have the 3 files. Okay. Is as one of the options. Sometimes that file name will have the distinguished file name, and as it's read here now, S101, S201, S301. These are the main drawing. The continuation number, suppose if the 101 series, it may have say 8-9 drawings, so it will be 101-001, 101-002. It will go on like this. The same way, the condition sheet will be 201, then 201-001, 201-002, 003. It will go on like this, the condition sheet. So the main category is the numbers here, the main numbers. That all the condition sheet will be inside the layout. If you open any one of the files, let's open. Okay, so here they have renamed as a layout name layout to layout 3. Thus we don't want now. Suppose this is the way the drawing has been prepared. Then we can use this BatchInDatabase batch in editor to rename those things based on the file name. Plus, you can add the counter as well. Okay, let's see now how you can do this. It's just a file name layout name find and replace. This time I want to go that method, drawing name as a layout name. Plus I want to add the counter. This counter, let's say start number 1. So it will be applied whatever the drawing name. Plus it's going to add 001 as well. Okay. Apply. I'm choosing those things. Add the command. Save the drawing. Okay. Or save with prefix. Let's save the drawing. Save. Okay. So the drawings are going to come here. If you have only one layout, it's not going to add the counter. If any drawing contains more than one layout, it will add the counter number. One more to go. Right, I've done it. Let's open the first one. Right, so you can see it's added XYZ S101. So the same name has been added as 101, whereas in the original file, um, this is the original file we have saved as a BAD with the prefix. The layout name was S007, some layout name, something like this. So now we got it renamed, and the BAD as the same as a file name. Okay, this will same will be applicable. The counter we can see here. Let me open these files. It's not the case. Here we are. I have opened the drawing in XS2. It's not the one. So it's okay. Let me open the XS4. It's supposed to open the file from the XS4. I have opened the wrong files. Yeah, it's X4 only. Okay, 301, 301. Okay, let me open this one. Yes, now we can see now 301 it's added 001, 002, 003, whereas if you see the original file, that is 301 here. It's contain layout 1, layout 1, layout 2, layout 3. Okay, so the same name here 301, but we have that counter automatically added here as well. So let's open this 201 BID. Okay, so we have 5 numbers of layout. 201, I can see there's a counter automatically added, and it's drawing with the layout name. So the original drawing, the 201 series, is this one. The layout name was the layout names were layout 1, 2, 3, something like this. So we renamed with the file name with the continuation, the counter number added here. Hope I have explained this layout find and replace options. Thank you.